In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix an iPhone auto brightness glitches. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and head into your settings and look for accessibility and head into your accessibility settings, head into display and text size. And this is where you want to simply go ahead and turn off your auto brightness, which is right over here. As you can see, now the second thing you want to disable is going to be into display and brightness itself. So simply scroll down to display and brightness and turn off your true tone right over here. Once you've done that, the other thing you want to turn off is going to be inside of display and brightness itself, and simply go ahead and look for the night shift and turn that off. Once you've done that, simply if your screen dims when you look away, then what you want to do is go to settings. So let me just head into my Face ID and passcode right over here. And once you're in here, what you want to do is toggle off attention aware features. So right over here. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.